I think certainly coming out of the symposium, I think the one that everybody seems to be really excited about is something called the micro shunt, so which is the in-focus micro shunt, which is not yet commercially available. So the good thing about the in-focus micro shunt is it creates an external drainage like a trabeculectomy, and is performed similarly like a trabeculectomy, that you have to open the conjunctiva, but instead of cutting, stitching, you insert a little tube and then you close the conjunctiva. The good thing about that is very close to a trabeculectomy, but it's quicker than a trabeculectomy, and it's one new device that has putting through the clinical trial to go head to head against trabeculectomy. And this is the only one really that has that particular study. Everybody else tends to duck and dive and stay away from trabeculectomy, while the in-focus is head-on, wants to be a trap killer. They want to compete with trabeculectomy. Now, we all kind of feel that it won't, but so far the data suggests it's the closest you're ever going to get. And I think that is going to be probably the most eagerly anticipated, because of the efficacy that is, and the fact that it's not quite minimally invasive. Doesn't really matter a great deal as long as the safety profile is good. And in fact, I think that nowadays the term minimally invasive glaucoma sometimes can have a negative connotation. Some glaucoma surgeons kind of doesn't really quite like mix, because they feel that this is full of gadgets and full of commercial interest. So something like in-focus that has a trabeculectomy-like efficacy and a slightly improved surgical time and safety profile, then potentially I think that will be what most glaucoma surgeons will be eagerly looking forward to.